Today we're going to fix the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 LCD screen. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the SIM card tray. Step 2. Heat up the back cover to soften the adhesive. Step 3. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Step 4. Remove the screws attached on the middle frame cover. Step 5. Remove the camera lens protector and the remaining screws. Step 6. Unplug the fingerprint sensor power button. Step 7. Remove the middle frame cover. Step 8. Disconnect the LCD screen flex connector. Step 9. Heat up the broken LCD screen to soften the adhesive. Step 10. Remove the broken LCD screen using a prying tool. Step 11. Clean the LCD frame contacts thoroughly. Step 12. Prepare the new LCD screen. Step 13. Transfer the earpiece mesh on the new LCD screen. Step 14. Place the adhesive on the LCD frame contacts. Step 15. Install the new LCD screen properly. Step 16. Plug in properly the LCD flex connector. Step 17. Place back the middle frame cover. Step 18. Plug in the fingerprint power button connector. Step 19. Install the screws and the camera lens protector in place. Step 20. Place the adhesive on the middle frame contacts. Step 21. Install the back cover properly. Step 22. Insert the SIM card tray and turn on the phone. The LCD screen is now working perfectly. Thank you for watching.
I'm Jackson.